to dji.com, downloads, products, Mac 2. There we are in here, and there is the firmware for the receiver and for the transmitter. We're going to look for the transmitter firmware. The transmitter, that's the microphone that you put on your shirt to record. So there it's downloaded to the downloads folder on your computer. I have my downloads folder here. Now all I need to do now is to connect the transmitter to USB to the computer, but it doesn't show on the desktop, so I have to turn it on first. I'm going to turn it on, and then the drive shows up on the desktop, and I can see here the drive. It says no name, but that is what it is. I can then use this software and put it in the root folder here. There, root folder means directly into the drive. Then I can eject it. Here, I eject that drive. There, it's gone. And now we take a look at the microphone itself and see how the LED flashes in different colors. Now, when we reconnect it, once it's done, it's reconnected. Then it has the file deleted, so that it's not starting another update next time we use it. That's how easy this is to update this microphone. I hope that was helpful. If you want to read the instruction, it's down here, the firmware guide. There it is, and there you can read about it in the PDF file that is provided by DJI. So if the firmware of the transmitter does not update after power on, you have to disable the auto record on the receiver touchscreen, and then you try again. But other than that, it's going to be good.